couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video, we are doing another clean with me. So if you have anything on your to-do list, let's go ahead and get it done together. So first things first, I did wash the sheets, and so I'm making up the bed. It's just taking me a little bit longer this morning because I do have a duvet cover. So I washed the insert, the duvet cover, all the pillowcases. So that's why I'm putting that all together. I'm definitely speeding it up for you guys, but then we will make our way into the bathroom. And in the bathroom today, I have some organization I want to get done. So I definitely want to organize underneath my sink. It has been driving me crazy, to be honest. So that is one thing I want to get done today. And I also want to add some cleaning tips in here for you guys for this video, so stay tuned for those as well.
You know I'm on your side, and I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close.
So my first cleaning tip would be to stay organized when you're cleaning. Now I know that sort of sounds cliche, but it is very important that you have your own cleaning routine. So it's not something that you're changing every other day, or depending on what you're cleaning. Making sure that you have some type of organization when cleaning is very, very important. So for example, I always make sure that each room is completely clean before I move on to the next room. So for example, sometimes I've done it to where I would clean the room all up and the only thing I would need to do is come back and vacuum. But I found out that sometimes I would never make my way back to vacuuming that spot or doing that last task that I say I'm going to come back to. So I make it a priority to finish that room completely before I move on to the next room. That's why you seen me in the bedroom actually doing everything, making up the bed, tidying up the nightstand, and then also vacuuming as well. And the reason behind this is that now I know that the bedroom's done. I don't have to come back to it later, and then we can move on to the next space.
I'm not overthinking feelings. I just need you to know.
So the next cleaning tip I want to briefly talk about is to make cleaning easier and more simple within your household. It's very important that you have your organization down packed. So meaning that everything has a purpose within your space, everything has a place in your home, and you know exactly where to go to get a certain item. So it's very important that you constantly declutter and organize your home. This will make cleaning so much easier. So I would definitely recommend start your organization journey. There's tons of stuff on YouTube. I also have a whole playlist on organization as well. So I would definitely say declutter and organize your space, and that will make cleaning so much easier for you.
But we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Back when I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move move on.
So to the right, I have all of my like tampons and panty liners, and then the next one is more feminine items, and then the next bin is all of my like eye care and like alcohol, peroxide, stuff like that. Then the next one is all of my hair care and skin care. The next one is all of my dental hygiene, and then in the back I have my hair brushes and hair dryer, and then I also have like a heating pad, and then the next one in that gray basket is my cleaning supplies. So that's pretty much everything that's underneath my sink. But I also want to mention, because this space was already previously organized and I know exactly where everything goes, it honestly took me about 10 or 15 minutes to reorganize this space.
So now we have to try to move on.
Another cleaning tip I would like to talk about is laundry. So I always look at laundry as like a task to do, but also it's under the same umbrella as cleaning for me. So I just wanted to talk about it just for a second. So whether you do a load of laundry a day, or whether you do it on the weekend or on just a one day throughout the week, either way, it's very important that once you put a load in the wash, you place it in the dryer. It's very important that you go ahead and tackle that laundry. Now and this is more of a do as I say, not as I do type thing, just because it is so hard for me to get this accomplished. It's been so many times where I would leave stuff in the wash and forget that it's in there, or just leave it in the dryer and I'm like re-drying it several times just because it's wrinkled, and by the time I take it out the dryer, I'm not ready to fold the clothes or I'm going to bed. So I would definitely say this is a thing that I need to work on, but I know that it is so beneficial in regards to keeping a house nice and tidy if I go ahead and plan for when I put it in the wash and then I move it to the dryer, that I already know that I need to tackle it as soon as the clothes are dry. And if I just keep that mentality of actually getting it done right after I throw it in the dryer, I will be good. So I would definitely say make sure to take that tip along with you whenever you are cleaning your house, as making sure that laundry is taken care of. It will definitely help you with not getting so overwhelmed, because I feel like laundry is one easy thing to get behind on, especially if you have a family of 4 or 5 for sure. So definitely try to take control of that, and that will just help your whole cleaning experience overall.
I want you, how could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post.
So as you notice, I started cleaning, I think it was around noon this particular day, and then I had to leave to go to the shop, and now I'm back home and finishing up. So another cleaning tip I would definitely recommend is to try to take 10 or 15 minutes to tidy up your space before you go to bed. So this would be an example of how I would tidy up my space to make sure I have a clean home the next morning. Now, if I'm not feeling it, I'm not going to do it. I'm just the type of person, I go by what my body tells me to do, but I try to at least take 10 or 15 minutes to clean the space. I do normally ask Lee to help me as well, so I'm not doing it all by myself. But it's just small things that I feel that we do within the household to try to already maintain a tidy space. Just making sure that you just take that 15 minutes in the evening to tidy up your space, and you'll thank yourself so much the next morning.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean, say what you mean. And and you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only 'cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you.
Another tip I would like to talk about is making sure that you choose certain days to vacuum and mop. I would definitely say if you can try to do it all in one day, that would be best, just because when you're vacuuming and mopping, it just, I don't know, it just makes your whole space just seem so much cleaner when you do it all in one day. And honestly, it takes me about 30 minutes to do a vacuuming and 30 minutes to do mopping, and I usually do it once a week. So I have a particular day that I do it, and normally it's on filming days, which is either Monday or Wednesday. So I choose one day out of the week to go ahead and vacuum and mop my entire space. So I would definitely recommend go ahead and setting your calendar, like on Monday I'm going to do all of my laundry. On Tuesday I'm going to make sure I vacuum and mop all the floors. On Wednesday I'm going to declutter and organize, you know, the kitchen cabinets. I don't know, but it's very, very important that you maintain that organization that we talked about in the beginning in regards to your cleaning routine. That will make life so much easier.
What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only 'cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only 'cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always comes to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's too hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me.
Another cleaning tip I have is to try your best to unload the dishwasher in the morning, so it's all empty and ready to go for the day. And so when you get home from a long day's work and then you have to cook and load up the dishwasher, the last thing you want to do is unload it before you have to load it. So I always say to try to run it overnight and then unload it in the morning. So maybe take that extra 5 to 10 minutes to unload it when you get up, and then when you get home you'll have a empty dishwasher to go ahead and throw those dirty dishes in, and then it just cycles and repeats every day, and it just makes the kitchen cleaning so much easier.
There's no use trying to pretend, and I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you're breathing out my name. Gloria,
Another tip as far as the kitchen goes is to maintain a clean refrigerator. Now, the easiest way to maintain a clean refrigerator is to, whenever you get groceries, most of the time, most people are buying groceries once a week or once every 2 weeks. I try to do once every 2 weeks for the most part, unless I'm getting Eleni's lunch stuff. But definitely make sure to reorganize and declutter items before your grocery order comes in. So for example, if I know that I have a grocery order coming in on Sunday, normally Friday or Saturday, I'm going to go through things that already need to be thrown away or expired and maybe wipe down, the refrigerator really quickly. Not a detail clean, but just, just cleaning it up just a little bit. But if you just make sure to go ahead and declutter and clean the refrigerator or even that pantry area, it will make life so much easier when you bring in those new groceries, and it will just make it much easier to actually put up the groceries as well, because you know where everything's at. It's fresh on your mind just because you decluttered the day before and you cleaned the refrigerator or that pantry area. So definitely try that tip out. It has helped me so much in regards to making sure items are we don't have expired items in the refrigerator or the pantry, but also we, everything in the refrigerator and the pantry, we know exactly what's in there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I hope it inspired you to get something done, and if you can just take one cleaning tip, definitely let me know which one you would take down below in the comments. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only